325 children attended the concert at the school hall. 4/5 of the boys and 3/4 of the girls left the hall at the end of the concert. 29 more boys and girls remain in the hall. How many girls attended this concert? Now, to do this question, we need to know that there is at the start 5 units of boys and 4 parts of girls. Alright, now 4 out of 5 of the boys left. 3 out of 4 of the girls left. So at the end, boys and girls. Now at the end, there's 29 more boys than girls. So again, 5 minus 4, we have 1 unit of boy left. 4 minus 3, we have 1 part of girls left. Alright, so this is 1 part of girl. And boys will be a little bit more. More by how much? More by 29, as they said in the question. Okay, so there's 29 more boys and girls remaining in the hall. How many girls attended? Now, what we need to do is we need to reform the 5 units of boys. Okay, so when we do that, we have 1, 2, 3 and 4. So total 5 units of boys. And we'll do the same thing for the girls, okay? So we'll do like this, we'll put 29 inside. We'll do like this, we'll put 29 inside here as well. And just 1 more for the girls, and we'll put 29 over here. Total children at the start is 325. So again, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 parts of girls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 units of boys. How many girls attended the concert? Now, to do this, we can actually take away these extra parts. This 29, over here there's another 29, another 29, another 29, another 29. How many extra 29s are there for the boys? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 29 times 5. And we'll get 1, 4, 5 extra parts in these black boxes. So when we take 3 to 5 and we minus 1, 4, 5, we will get 180. Now this 180 will now represent 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 parts. We can find the value of 1 part. Which is 20. Okay, and then we can find how many girls attended. So 1, 2, 3, 4 parts of girls attended. Final answer for this question, 80 girls attended this particular concert.